the Sustainable Entrepreneurship Award 2014, we have now received submissions from all over the world. All in all, we have incredible 320 projects from 65 countries. An overwhelming success. This indicates to me that the issue of sustainability has absolutely nothing to do with eco-sleepers. We are now on the right path to classify sustainability where it belongs, to a new lifestyle revolution. True to the motto, sustainability is in our hands. Together we will make the world more sustainable, especially for our children and grandchildren, because they are the future of tomorrow.
I know several cases when there was a very good innovation, but the social context did not allow to implement it. This is why we need to improve social context, decision-making process in order to make innovation implementable.
So the best project we selected for this year's is also based on these two very important elements, which is innovation and social and environmental responsibility.
Sustainable entrepreneurship is the future, is an opportunity for the company, but a must for the societies.
The SEA Award gives young social entrepreneurs a great opportunity to show their business models and their innovative ideas, and to show that they can scale across countries and make a difference in societies and as well in politics.
This award, which SEA, can be a tremendous tool to incentivize people in the government, in the private sector and in civil society to work together in order to find solutions to some of the most intractable problems of global governance.
We at Fraunhofer are working very hard on a sustainable future in many areas, and we support very much the activities of SEA to find worldwide and award entrepreneurs in sustainability in different fields.
Our world today requires us all, regardless of where we are coming from, to do more with less. And this requires that, because our resources are not going to last forever.
The SEA Award is very unique because it is truly global, international. We have a lot of applications from all around the world. And on the other side, it is also unique because it's trying to bridge the gap between the sustainability community, about the people who think about sustainable solutions, and the mainstream population.
It asks the question of how do we unleash the inventiveness, the spirit of creation that's embodied in many, many people and institutions, but for good social purposes.
My first time here, I think you gave a big contribution to what Europe wants to be in the world in the next years, to combine knowledge, to combine technology, and to combine the possibilities to have another way of producing.
Behind the applicants are some amazing stories from all over the world of people who are innovating around the most difficult problems in the world.
The jury had a lot to do to distill out of this big set of applications the right winners.